Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the Microsoft Store app is missing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing, Microsoft Store app doesn't show in the apps menu these days. This is a new update. So, if you were searching for it in the apps menu and you couldn't find it, then be assured that this is normal. I'll show you. I'll show Store here, but it doesn't exist, even though Microsoft Store is present here. So here's one thing. This is the taskbar and Microsoft Store is present here by default, but it is not necessary. It can be unpinned from the taskbar. That's not a very rare possibility. It happens often. So if you do not find it here and if you don't find it in the App Store, simply search for it. Search for it in the Windows search bar and you can directly open it from here. And you can also pin it back to the taskbar. This is one thing, but if you do not find it at all on your system, if there's no Microsoft Store, we have a command. This command is used to reinstall Microsoft Store and there's no other way to do it. So copy this command and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Paste this command here and hit enter. Now this says that this is not recognized because I already have Microsoft Store in my system. But if you do not have it, then this command will replace it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.